Making money in general can be exhausting at times. You can undoubtedly make a lot of money, but you can't help but feel fatigued and drained from time to time. Some will want you to do a really difficult jobs or put in countless hours of effort. Some may be quite hectic, necessitating a financial commitment. Isn't it possible that it's exhausting? But what if I told you that with just yourself, your gadget, and an internet connection, you can genuinely turn your life around and make money with no effort? You may rest confident that this approach is completely free, so you won't have to worry about any investment, fees, or payments. You're going to enjoy everything about it because it caters to a large range of people and is available in any place on the planet. This is available in the United States, the Philippines, China, and Canada, to mention a few places. Wait until you hear about the prerequisites if you think that's all fine. But here's the thing, there aren't any. You don't need any technical knowledge or prior expertise to complete this process. Simply be yourself. This strategy appears to be ideal, doesn't it? So, since you're about to get your hands on this, make sure you stick with me and watch the entire movie. Just a word of caution, don't skip ahead so you don't miss any crucial information you'll need to make money with this method. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. First and foremost, you'll proceed to ClearVoice.com, where you will be met with the following words: creating for you, with you, to grow your brand, major projects to enterprise scale, with fully managed freelance content teams. You can just go down to the bottom of the page and find out everything you need to know to satisfy your curiosity. But for this video, let me cut right to the chase and pierce right through the gist. When you get to the bottom, click on For Freelancers, which is just below the part with all the links. After clicking For Freelancers, you'll be led to this website where you may sign up right now. As of now, you can tell that this method is quite simple because you've already signed up without doing anything. But what will you do on this website? You're welcome to inquire. As a freelancer, you'll simply upload several articles and easily earn as much as $642 every day. Yes, $642. I'll take it in. That is just stunning. Anyway, I'll be showing you everything in a complete step-by-step process. So just lend me your foolish attention and listen in very closely to everything that I'm about to tell you. Let's begin the sign-up process right on this page, and you can see right here that they're looking for clear voices. You can secure freelance jobs that are most definitely worth your time. Sounds promising, huh? So without further ado, carry on with your registration and type in your first name and your last name. After that, you'll have to do is click on this blue button that says Get Started. And there you have it. You've completed the sign-up process, and it was a success. After you're checked in, the next step is to complete your profile by submitting a display photo to this page. This will help you establish your account as a reliable one, attracting more and more work chances. You may further customize your profile by posting articles, which I'll show you how to do right now. I want you to scroll down until you locate these people under the category See Who's in Our Talent Network on the same page. Simply click on any of these persons to be redirected to their profile. As you can see, this one already has an established account, indicating that he is a highly reliable freelancer who earns a lot of money. If you continue to watch this video, you will undoubtedly become one of these people, so pay attention to every detail. I want you to browse down his profile a little and you'll see a ton of different articles with related categories. These articles were written by the person whose name appears on this profile, and the categories were added to make it easier to sort the articles. They'll make a lot of money with this large collection of articles because a lot of people go to ClearVoice to hunt for articles in various categories. This category chatbots and AI will fit the phrase if they are looking for articles about software and technology. Now, when the visitor clicks on a freelancer's profile, they will also click on your piece, which is how you get money. Consider this guy's writing, which he has a lot of, as motivation and a way to work your way up to this money-making strategy. But wait, what if you don't know how to write articles? Worry not, because I'm about to reveal a not-so-secret that will take care of everything for you, leaving you free to relax. Your labor is confined to a basic copy and paste, which, let's be honest, isn't even that big of a deal. So, where had we been? Right, I'm going to show you the first website where we'll make money, and it's called KillerPLRarticles.com. You can immediately tell what the page is about when you view it. This is where you'll get a new label content articles and an endless supply that's completely free. You may find a wide variety of PLR articles categories on the left side, as well as some recently seen PLR articles on the right side. If you scroll down a little bit, remember that all of these articles are copyright free, which means you can use them whenever and in any way you wish. Consider the articles your own and use it to gain money by reselling it or utilizing it for business purposes. With that in mind, let's find the ideal content to upload to ClearVoice and earn large sums of money. On the main page, click this link that reads, "Click here to browse categories," and you'll be directed to this page, where you can now browse hundreds of more article subcategories. Let's pretend we're just going to give it our all for business and the economy. Simply select the appropriate subcategory, such as advertising PLR articles. You will be led to another page after clicking on that category, where you can now view the actual articles that belongs in the advertising area. You have complete freedom to browse the site and choose the greatest content according to your preferences. And don't forget, this is just from one area. Imagine the limitation of your earning potential if you spend more time visiting other categories. Your earnings will undoubtedly exceed your expectations. So, rather than prolonging the pain, let's get right to downloading the articles by creating a free account. You can create a free account by entering your full name, primary email address, and password right here on this page. After that, simply click the button below to finish your registration in as little as 1 to 3 steps. After you've successfully downloaded the desired article, copy the link and return to Creative Voice, where you'll see a screen button that reads New Content. After that, you'll see the interface where you can just paste the article's link, and in the blink of an eye, your content will appear on the website. But wait before you celebrate. There's something you can do to acquire greater traction and ensure that your article is seen by anyone, anywhere. You'll simply provide some information about your article, beginning with the category, which will be business. After that, simply select the option for the writer to fill in the question for the major role by clicking on the down arrow. After that, simply choose article as the content type. After you completed that, fill in the section by selecting published content. Allow me to share some information with you. Now it's critical that you don't skip this stage, so double check all of the information to ensure that they correspond to what I'm saying. I simply want to assist you in making some money, so make sure you follow all of the instructions. Finally, for description, all you have to do is create a brief explanation of your article, and then hit the update button. This is where you rejoice because you finally completed your first article. You may just return to KillerPLRarticles.com at any time to copy more articles and put them right here on ClearVoice. You'll be able to generate many sources of revenue as a result, thereby doubling your earning potential. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.